Hi people, I wanna show you a large collection of old, modern and rare Mercedes. All fans of this brand will be interested to take a look at them. The cars are in excellent condition, almost in the original. The safety of these cars is at a high level. The owners take care of them, and I hope they will never be abandoned. The value of such machines grows with their age. Glory to the people who restore and preserve them. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, like if you like it, and don't forget to click on the bell. See you, bye.